If you want Medline's 3-in-1 functionality but with an extra hygiene layer, the Microban protected adjustable version is worth a look. This model keeps the core features: 7.5 QT removable bucket, folding a sturdy steel frame, tool-free assembly, and a 350-pound capacity, but adds Microban antimicrobial protection on the product surfaces to help limit bacterial growth between cleanings. That matters for caregivers who want an extra edge against odors and surface contamination. Retailers like Sam's Club and others show this element's Microban style Commode in the broader $140 range. Prices vary by retailer. For example, a Medline Elements listing appears around $142.96 on some reseller pages I checked. What do users say? The Microban label gives a psychological plus. People feel cleaner using it, and practical reviews note easier maintenance and less lingering smell over time compared to plain plastic seats. The adjustable heights mean it's flexible for a range of toilets and bed heights, and tool-free assembly is appreciated by family caregivers who don't want to wrestle with hardware. That said, Microban isn't a magic bullet. It reduces microbial growth on surfaces but doesn't replace regular cleaning. Some buyers also point out the price premium compared with plain steel versions, and the Microban surface is not a reason to skip liners or routine disinfection if the Commode sees heavy use. Pros: antimicrobial protection, adjustable, sturdy frame, easy clean. Cons: higher cost than non-Microban versions and still needs a cleaning routine. For anyone balancing hygiene concerns with durability, this is a solid mid-range pick. We share by links in the description box.